Alright, so I've done an outside tour last year in September, so this is one August 2023, just about a year later. I've put a new axle in this just the last week or so, but I realize I've never done an inside tour for anybody. Oh good, my cat's going to help out. So here's my front gaucho / bunk bed. It's covered with coffee bean bags to just thought it kind of would look cool. And curtains just black out on the back side, just something to make it look wildernessy. And then my kitchen cabinets, my upper and lower. The lower has no fridge, no furnace. I removed those and I'm just going to have storage space. I just hooked up the LED lights this week. And the cat's going exploring. Worried he's going to get locked in. So, closet. More coffee bean bag furniture. All my windows have been resealed and they're installed with stainless steel screws from the outside into pieces of oak. Birch plywood for a countertop and table. And just recently made this light switch here to turn on and off different things, like my computer fan for vents. 2 computer fans running full tilt. Gives good ventilation in here. So there. Just a view from the dinette.